Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you exactly how to build an AI sales agent that can speak with your customers and answer to every queries whenever it is booking calendar slot or answering customers' questions. I will show you how to build that in this video. So yesterday I was browsing companies that got into YC and I saw this company is called Sameday, and the product they're building is actually really interesting. They provide you as a service, as a company, a phone number that your customer can call, and an AI will answer and help you book more meeting, answer common questions, and like customer support on phones, but with generative AI. It seems really interesting and really promising as an idea, and I wanted to reproduce it and show you the whole process of building such application using different technology we have already seen in this channel. So I will first introduce what ChatGPT. I think everyone knows ChatGPT here, at least I hope. I don't want to show you this ChatGPT, but I want to show you the back of ChatGPT, actually the API behind ChatGPT, because OpenAI released it for every developer. It is not free, but it's cheap enough to build such application, and those kind of applications are extremely useful for companies. We have incredible use cases. We can just do email marketing with it. We can do chat marketing and also this voice marketing with it. So I wanted to show you exactly how we can build such app using the technology we have learned on this channel, actually OpenAI, CoquiTTS, OpenAI Whisper, and some other API that OpenAI is actually providing. So let me show you, let me introduce to you this backbone of ChatGPT. I think many developers actually know this API. OpenAI just provide you a set of tools to build on top of ChatGPT. So you can build whatever you have in mind. Maybe you can reproduce ChatGPT. It is extremely simple to do that with whatever programming language you want, Python, Node.js, or whatever. You can do it in less than 30 lines or so, and build your own ChatGPT. But the only problem here is just the cost of the API. It is $0.003. It varies depending on the model that you're choosing. So if you want to use ChatGPT model, the same model powering ChatGPT, you will have to pay, I think it's 0.03 or 0.003 per 1,000 tokens, and the token is like a really long text, so you have enough margin there whenever you want to build a product on top of something like that. So let me introduce in detail the tool we will be using to build that amazing technology. So let me first introduce to you the whole process of the application. We'll have like a customer that will call a phone number, and the phone number is actually an audio from the customer. And we have this incredible API here from OpenAI that can transcribe the text. I think I will just show you an example of a text that can be completely transcribed in text, so you can actually use it with any model you want. So let me just show you an example.
This is the Micro Machine Man presenting the most midget miniature motorcade of micro machines. Each one has dramatic details, terrific trim, precision paint jobs, plus incredible micro machine pocket playsets. There's a police station, fire station, restaurant, service station, and more. Perfect pocket portables to take any place. And there are many miniature playsets to play with, and each one comes with its own special edition micro machine vehicle and fun, fantastic features that miraculously move. Raise the boat lift at the airport marina, man the gun turret at the army base, clean your car at the car wash, raise the toll bridge. And these playsets fit together.
I think I don't have to say more. Personally, I cannot understand that, but the model can transcribe it. That's incredible. So it can actually do a lot more interesting things when it comes to customer support and tonality and and accent and a lot of things that can happen when you do customer service via phone. It can actually transcribe and give you proper text that you can use in your application. And the second part, the second thing we'll be using is actually GPT-3. We also know GPT-3, the API is actually really simple. It looks like something like this. We work actually in Python. You just import the model, provide your key, and give some context, and you are good to go. That's all. The last part of this application will actually involve something that we have seen on the channel a lot. This is actually CoquiTTS. this Python package that can help you read text clearly. And yeah, we have much more choices when it comes to text-to-speech packages. But I just chose this one because we are kind of familiar to CoquiTTS on the channel, so it's a win-win for everyone. So this is what we're building. Let me just introduce to you a bit of overview. So this is what we'll build. We have the customer giving a query to our system through voice. We'll record that voice until the stop, and we'll transcribe that voice into text. And this text will give it to OpenAI. It will answer back with whatever response based on our internal knowledge, and we will give that response to CoquiTTS to read it out loud to the customer. Seems pretty simple. Let's see a quick example of what we will be doing. Let's say this customer just say like, I want to book a meeting. So we get the voice here, we transcribe, and we get, I want to book a meeting. To know exactly how to book a meeting, we need a lot of knowledge. We need the embeddings actually to go in the internal documentation of a company and find the process of booking a meeting. We need to go in the database and actually look for free slot. And when we combine all those informations, we give them as context to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will actually answer back like, we have a free slot on Monday, 12 a.m. And this text will be passed to CoquiTTS that will just read it out loud to the customer, so the customer can just understand. I think it will be like, I don't know if you remember Google Assistant back in time that was able to converse with customers.
See, how may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to reserve a table for Wednesday the 7th.
For 7 people?
It's for 4 people.
4 people when?
Next Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Oh, actually we reserve for like after like 5 people. For 4 people you can come.
How long is the wait usually to be seated?
For when, tomorrow or weekday or?
For next Wednesday, the 7th.
Oh no, it's not too busy. You can come for 4 people, okay?
Oh, I gotcha. Thanks.
Bye bye.
I think it's something that can be done today really easily with very few lines of code. So this is what we will be building in this series. So this is the first video. Depending on your output, just comment down below whatever you will want to see in the video before I release the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see this second part. I'll do it in Python, of course, for sure. But if you want it in other language, just let me know in the comment, and see you in the second part of the video. Ciao.